Kaklia jong kesengsan Partai All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamta Banerjee hagsian kebening kong kelawan poi hagala sing ubleh kanong ba Shillong na kebentaban pet igajing penkrek kaseng yak election MLA kebanlong hagasnam banwan hagajala Meghalaya. Ya kini kanong ilam jong ka AITC lapdang buram ni kanong ilam bat MLA ka AITC Shillong Airport. Hagabagi patba bagi kanong kersan kaseng AITC na keleng kilawan ban pediang sobhaya kini kanong ilam. Mamta rengkat badu General Secretary ke AITC Abhishek Banerjee kini kendu iki MLA bat ki kertong ki banekon iki election MLA Banwan bat kini tai ru halor jing penkre iki election hakalang ki constituency jong jela Meghalaya. Mamta Banerjee kini kendu iki nong ilam bat kinong kit kam keseng hagajing elang ka banlong ha State Convention Center hakakat lai tarik. Bat hagane gesngi kene shim bentaru agajing rakhe yakjing lek kemen Christmas bat ki hebret ki bamdon kemiran kepasyo kinong ilam shnong hari lum khasi jantia bat kiro pau kumat kejela.
We, the Meghalaya TMC, across all rank and file, are extremely enthusiastic to receive our chairperson, Srimati Malatadi, today, and we look forward to addressing our executive. Rather, the leaders coming from every nook and corner of the state, representing the grassroots leaders. So we are extremely enthusiastic about this and will be welcoming her.